Hello everybody. Today is Tuesday, December 22nd. It's 4:37 p.m. The E-mini S&P has just resumed trading. So I want to bring over the time and sales. So 4:37 p.m. the E-mini S&P trading at 2035.50, and volume was really light today. I forgot to roll over some contracts, so I didn't get performance on several systems. So I don't have much to show you today, but I just wanted to make this last video prior to Christmas. We had one chart that did really well today. So before I continue, first the required disclaimer. Okay, so the DAX on the Superenco 21 tick is not for the faint of heart. You could trade it with a single contract or two contracts if you have probably quite a large account. I'm talking 50,000 or more. So this chart did 6,600 today and kind of attests the extreme volatility or extreme, not extreme, but high dollar value per tick and per point and per movement in the DAX. The system started trading a little after 3 in the morning, and the beginning equity was about 17,500, and the equity high was almost 27,000. So the equity high was almost 10,000 for the day, and it gave some back at the end. Nevertheless, on two contracts, 6,600. So this is a very rich contract. The point is that in smaller time frames, you could trade with a smaller account and good gains can be had. We've been showing a lot of the DAX, and the auto trader loves the DAX. The key is finding the right time frame and settings for the DAX, but it seems that we have some even smaller than 21 tick. So needless to say, the auto trader works best on volatile markets such as the crude. So having said that, let's move on to the crude. This was probably the last day of trading for the January contract, as I forgot to roll over the crude oil contract, so none of the other ones traded, but this one did, and it did 680 for the day on two contracts. Not bad, but this is another contract that the auto trader loves because the crude is quite volatile. So this is just going to be a short video for today leading up to Christmas. And I just want to thank everybody for their support of Blue Wave Trading. Wish everyone a happy holiday and a merry and joyous Christmas. Once again, thank you for all your support of Blue Wave Trading this year. Just a small announcement, beginning in 2016, we'll probably have a small price increase on the auto trader going to $44.95 from $39.95 to $44.95. That's a $500 increase. So between now and the end of the year, you can get it and lock in the current price. Just on a side note, some people have called and asked, why don't you discount your system or have a Christmas sale? Well, we don't do that because our auto trader is probably the best auto trader, hands down, of all the NinjaTrader vendors. There's several NinjaTrader vendors that have dropped their price to $995, where they were selling their auto trader for $3,000 or $4,000 and they dropped to $995. To me, that kind of tells you they don't have a lot of confidence in their product, and they're just willing to give it away. And you really do get what you pay for. No one's automated strategy is written in unmanaged mode as ours is, and no one's will execute with the accuracy that ours will. Our auto trader has been developed over 7 years, as Blue Wave Trading was one of the first NinjaTrader vendors, and we have refined this system over many, many years, completely rewritten in 2013. So anything prior to that, it's not the same code base. The logic is the same, but the code base is not the same. We got rid of all overfill issues, and we have much more consistency in the auto trader, which is why we show these videos day to day and post them on YouTube, and we show our charts, we show the trades, we show the time and sales. We are probably the only automated system that labels our trades, so that you can differentiate between a trade that happened today versus a historical trade that's marked with an H that happens after you refresh the chart. So just to give you an example, if I were to refresh the chart, uh, these trades would have an H next to them, but these trades happen today. Okay, once again, wishing everybody a happy holiday and happy new year. Because of the holidays, we probably won't have many videos between now and the end of the year. So until next year, aloha from Hawaii, and thanks again for your support of Blue Wave Trading.